Hello again, and we are gonna do another quest here. Another daily, by the way, and it is right here. Satellite repair. Heal the Hulks. Go to Tularius system. That is where I am. As you can see, I am in the beta quadrant. B stands for beta, A stands for alpha. Okay, let's start this puppy, shall we? There are, I believe, 4 satellites that have to be repaired. For some reason, I always fail at doing this maintenance that needs to be done here on the first one. Not sure why. But I always put my power or my shields to max because of the enemies that pop out of here. So I do my journey to the tower, and I stop. Oh shit! A little too fast. Yeah, I need to get a clearance at a certain point so I can go directly right after the enemy here. Alright, this should do it. Alright, we will interact. And we will continue. We will... I'm not sure what it wants me to do off the bat because I've tried this before and so far all of them have failed. It wants me to perform maintenance on the satellites. So, let's try this. Ah, I failed. Now we have an enemy to take care of. The first enemy is only an asteroid. But we still have to go back and repair the satellite anyways. Yeah. Now I guess we're going on to the next. Right down over here. This one's an easy one because it doesn't matter what I choose. It lets me repair it regardless. And that's that one. Now we have another one that we have to go take care of. Right up here. Okay, so there is only just 3 of these to repair. This is the one where you have ships coming. Because I have to beam over a team, and then there will be enemies coming right over here. So get ready to be like, also pay attention to your shields. Make sure you get all the enemies being attacked. I got one of my shields. Ooh, that one got some ass. Let's take that item. And it's normally just ridiculous. Those other ones that are going in there are small. Need to get that one. Alright, now we'll just get this one. If I can get that one over here. There's only 2 big ones you have to worry about. The rest of them are small, quite easy to kill. And that one's dead. Alright, now I have to pick up my team. Since I'm right close to the satellite. Yeah, those ships were easy. So just pick up my team and out we go. Cause I don't think there's any anomalies in here either. So yeah, there's no anomalies. So we'll depart from the system, and that will end that video. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.